The 2018 Chevrolet Cruze feels substantial on the road, larger and more stable than its dimensions would suggest. Its supple ride, relaxed handling, comfy seats, and impressively quiet interior make it the long-distance cruiser of this class. If you're looking for a sporty driving experience in your small car, however, there are several better choices. The Cruze's diesel engine is newly available in hatchback models for 2018, but that 137 HP motor wasn't particularly thrilling. In our testing, it propelled the Cruze from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 8.2 seconds. That's 0.1 second quicker than the effort we recorded in the more powerful gasoline-powered 2017 Cruze hatchback, but significantly slower than much of the Cruze's hatchback competition. As is typical of diesel engines, the Cruze diesel makes most of its torque low in the rev range, which helps make off-the-line acceleration feel reasonably peppy. But the Cruze diesel's main selling point remains its stellar fuel economy. Acceleration is brisk, but brisk is standard fare for cars in this segment. Every Cruze variant we've sampled has turned in an average performance time in our 0 to 60 mph test. The sedan is the fastest on the block, and acceleration is steady and sustained until about 70 miles per hour, after which it slows considerably. Drivers who choose the manual transmission will need to spur the throttle aggressively and stick to the middle of the rev range, where most of the torque resides, to keep up with traffic. When equipped with the optional automatic, gas-powered Cruzes respond eagerly to throttle inputs. The diesel's